Reverend Mother.
Captain, I didn't expect you here.
Well, I'm looking for a governess who is able to take care of my 7 children. Will you be able to find them for me?
7 children. Sure. Grandmother. Maria, what's the most important thing that you have learned from here, my child?
To find out what is the will of God and to do it wholeheartedly.
Maria, it seems to be the will of God that you leave us.
Leave?
Just only for a while, Maria.
Oh, Mother, please! Please don't do that! Don't send me away! It's my home, it's my family, it's my life!
Maria, there's a family near Salzburg that needs a governess until September for 7 children.
7 children?
You like children, Maria?
Yes, but 7?